welcome back to Let's Cook That. Today we're going to be making some shrimp cocktail, my way. I know there's many ways out there, but this is the way I like it, and I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys. Our ingredients are going to be as following. I already cut everything up so it could be a shorter video. So I have 1 large cucumber, I have half of a red onion, 1 jalapeno, have 1 avocado, that's going to be for topping, and then I have 1 cup of squeezed lime juice. It was 3 tomatoes, and then I have some cilantro. I have 2 pounds of shrimp. I have some Clamato juice, some ketchup that we'll be using about 1.5 cups. I have some of this Maggi sazonnador juice, just like a couple drops of that. And to cook our shrimp, we'll be using 1 bay leaf, garlic clove, and a piece of white onion. Okay, so I have some water already here boiling. It was about 46 ounces, I believe. And I'm gonna go ahead and add our bay leaf, our garlic clove, and our piece of onion so it could come to a boil. For our shrimp, I already bought them deveined and cleaned. I did leave like 5 shrimps with the shell on because I'm gonna go ahead and throw them in there to cook like that because the shell gives it a lot of flavor to your juice. Since it is a cocktail, we need that juice to have flavor in it. So we're gonna go ahead and wait for our water to come to a boil, and then we're gonna go ahead and throw in our shrimp. So once it came to a boil, we're gonna go ahead and throw in the shrimp. Ooh. Be careful. And we're gonna cook them for about 2 minutes, only until they get nice and pink. It's been about 2 minutes. What we're gonna go ahead and do is that we're gonna drain them, but we need to save the juice from where we're cooking our shrimp, okay? But we're gonna just drain them to another pot so we could save that juice. And then put them into some icy water so we could just stop the cooking if it fits. Okay, we'll just throw them in there. We'll drain them again. You could put some more ice on top and we could remove this. So once they're cooling down, you could go ahead and remove your garlic, your bay leaf, your onions, and then the 5 shrimps that I put in with the shell, I'm gonna go ahead and remove it as well. And then just let them cool down. We'll let the juice cool down. If you want a fast cooling down, you could add some ice cubes into your juice as well, because this icy water, we're not gonna use it. We're gonna take our shrimps out of here. Okay. So I already have my shrimps here. They already got cooled down. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and throw in all of the ingredients, the cucumbers, onions, the jalapeno. Jalapeno's up to you. It's just for a little bit of spice. But all the ingredients is actually up to you. It's what you like. You could even add some imitation crab and some oysters, whatever you want. It's really up to you, all the ingredients. Now we're going to add the cilantro. This looks very good. It smells very good. I just love the smell of the cucumbers with cilantro and onions all mixed together. Kind of like you're making a ceviche, but you're going to use that juice to make it your cocktail. So then we're going to go ahead and add our lime juice. And then we're going to go ahead and add like 3-4 drops. You could also use like oyster sauce if you like, or England sauce. And then it's about like 1.5 cups of ketchup. I'm going to go ahead and eyeball it. Or it's up to you, to your liking, however you like it, how much ketchup you want. If you like, you could also squeeze like an orange or half of an orange. I'm not going to do that today, but you may. I'm just giving you different options. Okay, and our juice, it is cooled down. I did add some ice cubes so it could cool down faster. You could also have it warm. A lot of people like to have it warm. The juice amount, it's up to you how much juice you want for your cocktail. As you can see by the color, I need more ketchup. So I'm going to go ahead and add more ketchup to it. Okay, so I thought I did not have an orange. which I did. So I went ahead and squeezed one orange into it, okay? And like I've always said, I have some picky ones here in the family. Some of them don't like it with the Clamato juice. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer some over here, because I do like it with Clamato juice. They just like it like that. It's done already. That's done. They just like to add like more ketchup and tapatio or any kind of hot sauce you prefer. But for me, at this point, if you feel that you need to add some salt, go ahead and add salt. But with the ketchup, I think it goes good with for the salt. But I am gonna add a little bit of black pepper. And that's optional, but it does give it a good flavor. And then we're gonna go ahead and add some Clamato juice. Clamato juice is up to you, however you like it. Just mix it in there. Try it. Okay, for me, it's good with the Clamato juice amount that I put for this serving. But you could go ahead and add as much as Clamato juice you want. Just be, you know, tasting it, so you won't put too much. And then we're gonna go ahead and serve it right now. Guys, so I have our cocktail ready. I already put it in one of these nice cups. A little lime in there. We want to squeeze some more. It's up to you. Some crackers. Enjoy with tostadas, crackers, however you like. But since I'm at home, I don't need a fancy cup. I'm just gonna put it in a regular plate. But let's put some tapatio. As you could tell, we love tapatio here because we have the big old bottle. But go ahead and enjoy however you like. Or crumble them up. Very yummy, you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments below, share if you like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you next time on Let's Cook. Throw avocado on mine, you guys. That's not fair. I knew something was missing, but it was still good. Now we can enjoy with avocado. See you next time. Bye.